If you are looking for a new TV that will get you a crisp, clear visual with the latest technology that Samsung has to offer, then you might want to check out the QN85A Samsung Neo QLED 4K Smart TV. This model comes in various sizes starting at 55 inches, 65 inches, 75 inches, and the large 88-inch screen size. You will enjoy great detail in both the darkest and brightest scenes with quantum matrix technology. See this intense detail powered by a vast array of tiny light cells using exclusive mini LED design technology for hyper-focused brightness and dimming in all the right areas. The QN85A has powerful 4K AI upscaling, which ensures you always get full 4K resolution. With the Samsung Neo Quantum Processor 4K, elevate your entertainment to jaw-dropping 4K clarity. The next-gen Samsung Neo Quantum Processor 4K utilizes advanced AI-based deep learning analysis to analyze the signal, source, and scene-by-scene content to deliver our best 4K optimized experiences. No matter what you watch, the 4K clarity is supercharged. With the QN85A you will enhance what you watch with vivid color and deep contrast that bring crisp details to light, with HDR10 dynamic tone mapping that shifts the color and contrast scene by scene. With the Motion Accelerator Turbo Plus, you never miss a beat with minimized blur and enhanced motion clarity, and catch all the fast-moving action whether you're watching sports or taking advantage of newer next-gen gaming capabilities. Another feature is sound that moves with the action with object tracking sound. Experience realistic 3D sound with audio from dedicated up-firing speakers that track every movement on the screen. The QN85A has a billion shades of color with Quantum. Get the finest picture ever with Color Volume 100%, Quantum. Which transforms light into breathtaking, stay-true color at any brightness. You will have minimal glare to reduce distractions with anti-reflection. Lose yourself in what you're watching with anti-reflection, which minimizes distractions from sun and light so you can enjoy sports and movies any time of day. Experience brilliant color from every view with wide viewing angle. See the full picture every time with brilliant color you can enjoy from more angles even from the side. Also, when surroundings change, the picture stays perfect with Adaptive Picture. Experience perfect picture that's automatically optimized for brightness and contrast based on where you are and what you watch. The QN85A has auto-optimized sound to fit your space with SpaceFit Sound. Enjoy optimized sound tailored to your environment, no matter where your TV is placed. You will catch every word without distractions with Active Voice Amplifier. Real-time noise intelligence detects disturbances and enhances the on-screen voices to deliver each bit of dialogue loud and clear. When it comes to the look, enjoy an elegant profile and a modern, sleek silhouette with the Samsung Neo Slim design. Beautiful lines and a gradually curved back panel make this TV the perfect complement to any room. If you are into gaming, then you will love game-changing scenes in their entirety with the super ultra-wide game view and game bar. Broaden your view with 21:9 and 32:9 screen ratios that give you the extra edge to maximize the gaming experience. Optimize your gameplay with Game Bar, an on-screen menu that lets you make real-time adjustments to screen ratio, input lag check, FPS, HDR, wireless headset settings and more. Also included with the QN85A you can see it all on one screen with multi-view. Watch what's on your TV and your phone on the same screen at the same time, so you can enjoy everything from live stats for sports or video guides for games all in one place. Want to mirror your smartphone to your TV? Simply tap to connect with Tap View. Mirror your phone on your TV with just a tap to continue enjoying movies, music, and apps on the bigger screen within seconds. Enjoy free TV with no strings attached using Samsung TV Plus. Enjoy thousands of hours of subscription-free TV, movies, sports with 150 channels and growing. So what are your thoughts on the QN85A? Comment down below. Make sure to hit the thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech